Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we will be focusing on the Line app, a popular communication platform used worldwide. Many people like to personalize their profile. First, open the Line app on your phone. Next, look at the top right corner of the app and tap on the settings icon. Then, from the menu, tap on Profile to open your personal profile settings. Once you are inside your profile settings, tap on Status Message. After that, enter the status message you would like to display to your friends. Finally, click on the Save button at the top right corner to confirm your changes. With these steps, you can easily add or update your status message online, making your profile more personal and expressive. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel, giving the video a like, and sharing it with others.